But what will happen? The kitchen bench is low, isn't it? I mean, we have to be careful about the height, about the furniture will be low, so we don't actually extrude the full height of the furniture. So these dimensions, kitchen benches, obviously we check from the section drawings, and we know exactly how high it need to be extruded. Okay, so let's look at the kitchen benches. There are so many lines there. So what I do, I'll just show you one example. So kitchen benches, there one point, I'll just point them first. And there's a finishing there, the corner, okay. I'll extrude one corner. So then I'll connect the bottom, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so what will happen there? So obviously, axonometric, the wall is in front, beyond you can't see it. Okay, so you can see there's overlap here. What I do, I will measure 900, 1/50 scale, 900 there, millimeters. Okay. Okay, so if you connect it further, so obviously this line we can't see it. So then, so there is another point. I just need actually some very fine thin line for my reference. Okay. So what will happen, and obviously the kitchen bench is behind, and then you can't see actually, so you probably need to delete them, because otherwise later on it looks really a lot of little lines, it makes it very confusing. So I'll just delete them, so it looks quite clean, looks like it. Okay, so let's have a look. Looks like it. There you go. So that is a basic principle. So obviously what you see is what you draw. Obviously just be careful of the furniture, start from the floor, and then whatever the height we'll extrude, we don't extrude the full height. Okay, so the next one, let's look at it. Some other area. Maybe the next steps, the stairs, there are wall and then joinery is behind. So we'll just our quick draw, and then we'll see what happens. So let's have a look. Already all the line is there. I'm just I copy them. Okay, so all the line on the top, it's quite easy. I can copy them. Okay. And then joineries too. Let's draw first. Okay, so I'm drawing from the top part. So then I'll copy them, so then you'll see like this, isn't it? Okay, so then so basically just connect them to the the underneath the plan. Okay. Looks like that. So this is what it looks like. So let's check it. Can you see here? So that's what it looks like here. Okay, so we got to be careful about the flow level. Obviously, I mentioned before, when you entering the floor below, when you're entering a step section going downward, yeah, then probably one step over, and then when you get here, there are another steps over. Okay, so I have to actually make sure we need to actually draw the different levels. So let's have a look. Okay. Okay, so what I do, stairs, so okay, this is what will happen. So can you see at the moment I didn't really draw actually how a step down. Okay, so what you do now is a good time. I can allow for a step down. Okay, so I'll just give you a reference line first, and then you add on to it. So I think about 100, maybe 150. You need to measure them. Okay, 100, 150. So then first step, probably maybe 100. The second step, 150. Okay, so then they drop down more. And then this is flow. So this dimension is come from section. So probably you'll measure from your section, would be quite good drawings. It's very really difficult to measure it, but so we need to allow for space. Then what will happen? The steps, obviously, I need to draw down. Okay, so then this is what it looks like here. So can you see a little step there, and then draw, connect the line there. Okay, so now we actually step down there, isn't it? Then I need to draw one more. So I'll draw one step and another steps over. So I have to actually bring them down too. Okay. So that wall need to be go further down.